Excel just got a built-in financial analyst called Endex that works 24/7, lives directly inside your workbook, and builds complete financial models from scratch. I tested it out and the results were pretty crazy. It built me a professionally formatted DCF model with real Excel formulas linking across worksheets in minutes. Let's take a look at how it works. Endex is an AI-powered Excel add-in that can complete tasks and build entire Excel models for you from scratch. To install Endex, head to Endex.ai, enter your email address to request access, and let them know any specific needs you have. Once requested, their team will reach out to help you get set up. To use Endex, all you have to do is click on Endex on the Home tab, and the window will automatically open on the side of your worksheet. Now you can just describe what you want to accomplish in the prompt box. In this case, I want to build a DCF model for an AI tool SaaS company, so I'm going to type create a DCF for an AI SaaS company with an assumptions, income statement, free cash flow, and DCF valuation sheet. Enter the prompt, and now just sit back and relax while Endex builds the multi-worksheet model for you from scratch in real time. It already set up the DCF model framework and created separate tabs for assumptions, income statement, free cash flow, and the DCF valuation, and now it's actually building out each of the tabs. You can watch it automatically populate each tab with all of the data, and it even takes the time to format it nicely. Endex is also constantly communicating with us by breaking down step by step what it's doing and lists all of the tasks it needs to complete to build the model, checking things off as it goes. It's always giving you updates so you know exactly what it's doing and when, so that you have a full understanding of how this model was built and can provide further direction when needed. Here's what really blows my mind. Endex isn't just copying and pasting numbers into worksheets, it's actually writing real Excel formulas that reference the other worksheets in the model, just like a professional financial analyst would. So if you click on any of the cells in your model, you'll see these aren't just hard-coded numbers. Everything is dynamically linked to the underlying drivers in the assumption sheet. So if we update any of our assumptions later on, the entire model will automatically recalculate based on the new assumptions. Once it's finished, it provides a complete model summary for documentation purposes and gives us a list of suggested follow-up actions to run if we want. This is the most productive financial analyst I have ever seen. We've officially built a complete professional formatted DCF model containing 4 fully integrated worksheets with dynamic formulas linking across tabs without writing a single Excel formula. And because the model is fully dynamic, we can update any of the assumptions on the assumption sheet to test out different scenarios. We can actually take this a step further if we want and create a dashboard that visualizes our P&L using Endex. So instead of spending hours building charts and summary tables manually, all we have to do is open Endex and enter the prompt, and in a separate tab, create a dashboard summarizing this P&L with a few charts. Please place the charts underneath the tables. Send off the prompt and Endex immediately gets to work building our dashboard. It inserted a brand new dashboard worksheet, pulled in all of the key data from our P&L, and created multiple charts visualizing the most important trends right below the summary tables exactly as we requested. Everything is professionally formatted, the layout is clean and everything is aligned, and Endex even provided a complete breakdown in the chat explaining everything included in the dashboard. Endex isn't just another AI tool we can use in Excel. It's purposely built specifically for financial modeling, and that's what makes it so powerful. Their team is made up of former finance professionals that purposely built the tool for the most relevant workflows across private equity, investment banking, corporate finance, accounting, and so on. Endex masters the nuances of tasks specific to your firm's standards, compressing hours of Excel work. It uses a multi-LLM approach, meaning it doesn't rely on a single AI model. Instead, it selects the best model for each specific task, ensuring you get the most accurate and reliable results as fast as possible. The opportunities are truly endless with Endex. You can build operating models, three-statement models, projected cash flow statements, basically any model you can think of. Beyond building models, Endex can also handle all those time-consuming tasks that eat up your workday, formatting messy spreadsheets, auditing complex workbooks, converting PDF data into Excel, tracking down errors, quickly analyzing data, and so much more. What used to take hours of manual work, you can now accomplish with Endex in minutes. And this is only the beginning. If you want to try Endex, I'll put the link in the caption below for you to try. Test it out and let me know what you think in the comments below. As always, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to never miss a video.